This is a 25 French's nephroscope. The irrigation and drainage ports are both on the outer metallic sheath. Thus, it is impossible to use this nephroscope without its external sheath. It has to be used with at least 26 French's amplots sheath. The optical element cannot be used by itself as standalone nephroscope. There is the hole for the passage of irrigation fluid to the operating channel. Why do we need to use the optical element as standalone nephroscope? Its smaller diameter will allow to pass in a narrow infundibulum, or down the ureter. Leave more space in the same amplots sheath. For better drainage of the irrigating fluid. Less pressure in the pelvicoileal system. Spontaneous elimination of stone fragment beside the nephroscope during fragmentation. What is the difference between 26 and 24 French's amplots sheath? The area of 26 French's minus the area of the 24 French's sheath is 78.54 French's square. The working element of the rigid ureteroscope, of the same brand, with one straight port to the operating channel and two side ports for irrigation, can be adapted to the nephroscope. The hole for the passage of irrigation fluid to the operating channel has to be sealed. A small rubber band is harvested from a glove. This rubber band is wrapped and tied around the part of the nephroscope with the irrigation hole. Now the optical element of the nephroscope can be used as standalone through a 24 French's or even a 22 French's amplots sheath. However, the attachment of the rigid ureteroscope is only 6 French's, and it allows only small probes, forceps, baskets, laser fibers. The probes for the nephroscope cannot pass through the rigid ureteroscope attachment. The solution is to ream and enlarge the instrument channel of the attachment to be in the same diameter of the operating channel of the nephroscope.